What do you say, Noah?
What?
What do you say?
Cheese?
Jeez. Nothing. Just videotaping you guys kayaking.
Well, on the bird website.
See if we can get Eli.
Whoa, a heron.
There you go.
Is that a heron or a gull?
No, it's a great blue. Keep paddling, Eli. You're on video. This is a life. I get to sit back and relax as Eli paddles me down the river.
Mom, help!
No!
Yeah.
You're doing a good job. Keep going.
I need a rest. Mom, help.
We're paddling to the beach. Come on, Noah. Go, Noah.
What?
I got you in the video. I said, go, Noah.
Mom, you're not helping at all.
I know. Paddle, Eli. Paddle.
I can't. You. Why don't you for a change?
I will in a minute. We're waiting for Noah to catch up.
If we can join, we can both help paddle.
Noah had a little accident and got a little muddy. Just a tad. And he stinks. Go away.
No.
We're going to see if we can get the blue heron. Now you can make some noise. We'll never see him. Go ahead, Eli.
Yeah, let's go.
There he goes.
Bye-bye, blue heron! Bang, bang.
Why are you shooting at him?
Bam, bam.
Alright, we're trying to get this great blue heron up there in the tree. If you can barely see him.
Why are you speaking?
Because this picks up video. Eli just wants to snipe him.
What?
I said, you just want to snipe him.
Bam, bam. Gotta get it.
And then we're waiting for Daddy and Noah
Time to die, Bernie.
and Larry to catch up with us.
Mommy, Mom!
And Eli's in a hurry because we have to make it back by 1 o'clock.
Not